Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit cinematic nature filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to +16. Highlights down to -60. Shadows to +49. Whites to -13. And blacks to +32. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. +8 for Tim. +20 for tint. +47 for vibrant. And saturation down to -27. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +18. Saturation down to -29. And luminance to -14. Next go to orange. Saturation to -14. Luminance to -10. Go to yellow. -100 for hue. And saturation to -28. Luminance to -19. Next go to green. Hue to -29. -63 for saturation. Luminance to +20. Next go to light blue. Hue to +100. Bring the saturation to -21. And luminance to 0. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -36. Saturation to -28. Luminance to +23. Now go to purple. Hue to -51. Saturation to -69. Luminance to -32. And done. Next go to Effect. +39 for As. And Vignette down to -12. Midpoint to +35. Feather to +40. Roundness to +45. Next go to split toning. Highlights to 26 and 17. Shadows to 209 and 23. And balance to +17. And done. Next go to Details. Sharpening to +28. Masking to 22. Noise reduction to 26. Contrast to +11. Color noise reduction to +33. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you next video.